This 2024 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7164 BHX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 19 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 5, water heater, microwave, refrigerator, awning, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-bath, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7164 BHX is 2,969 pounds. This 2024 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7164 BHX. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.